In this video, we will learn how to use the UIMeet3D tool. When you invite a visitor to view your immersive 3D tour, you can now invite them to visit the tour with you. The first thing you will want to do is activate the Click to Engage button. You will see the UIMeet3D icon at the bottom right, along with the number of visitors that are currently in the tour. If you click on the icon, you will see a list of the visitors. If you click on the mini-map, you'll see each of their positions. Also, in your menu, you can click on your avatar. You will see My Profile. You can change your name and click OK. If you click on the options of your visitor, you will see that you can follow the visitor, navigate to the same position, open a video conference, or ask them to join you in a UIMeet3D private room. You can choose to follow a visitor within the 3D environment, seeing what they see at the same time, giving you a more interactive experience. When you're done, you can click Stop Following. You can also go in the mini-map and double-click on an avatar, and you will be immediately redirected to their position. Another way to achieve this is by clicking on the options of a selected visitor and choosing Navigate to the same position. You can also start a private video conference. An authorization window will appear. Once accepted, the conference will begin. You will notice a window appear at the bottom left of your screen. The video conference and the avatars in the mini-map, as well as within the 3D environment, will change with the camera of the visitor. During the video conference, you can also use the Follow option, giving you a more interactive experience while walking and talking throughout the property with someone. The Navigate to the same position is also available during the video conference, allowing you to be brought directly to the position of your visitor. At any time during the video, you can simply turn off the microphone or the camera. You can choose to close the video conference by clicking on the red icon at the top. A confirmation box will open asking you if you want to end the video meeting. Click OK. You will return to the main page where you can start a new video conference with someone else from the visitors list by clicking Join Video Meeting, or communicating directly with them by using the chat panel. A window will appear asking your visitor for confirmation. Once they click OK, the chat panel will open. Once you are in a private chat conversation, you can ask your visitor to enter in a video conference with you. To close the video conference and return to the UIMeet3D, simply click on the lock icon and click OK. If you have any questions regarding the UIMeet3D, feel free to contact us at hello@urbanimmersive.com.